from 10th, 11th and 12th standard students. It's privilege and you should thank your school and your college that they are organizing such a seminar for you only. It is a career awareness seminar on the profession of a company secretary. Can anybody tell me what CS is? Before an introduction, do you all know what about CS? What CS exactly is? It is company secretary because we are having a seminar on company secretary. Otherwise, then I had heard an answer that it is a computer science. That is the reason I had came here to create an awareness that yes, despite of chartered accountant, despite of lawyer, despite of cost and management accounting, there is a course of a company secretary which can be go, which is reasonable also. That we can afford also, our parents can afford also. So what company secretary is? When I say it is CA Rehana Khan, yeah, she is chartered. And CS Rehana Khan, she might have completed her computer science. That's why she is saying that she is CS Rehana Khan. But it is not so. We are so sadly mistaken that we are not aware about what CS is. CS is a company secretary course. We can do the same from Institute of Institute of Company Secretaries of India. It is not like a university course. It is a course which has been constituted and instituted under the Parliament of India, under the Act which has been passed by the Parliament of India, and thus the ICSI has been formed. Under this only we are having a session and a seminar for your awareness. And what CS is? Why we want to do CS? Is there any scope? Because we are completing our graduation also. And to be very frank, your teachers are also there. Graduation is not at all enough for anything. In today's competitive world, graduation is nothing. It is just a degree that, yeah, she's BCom, he's BCom. That's it. To prove yourself, kindly choose any profession. I'm not telling only about company secretary, choose any professional course that will take you, that will help you in growth. Company secretary is a course which you can do after your 12th standard also. After 12th standard, it is 3 years course. It is 3 years course. 3 years, first year will be the foundation course, second year will be executive course, and third year will be professional course. For foundation course, you will be having only 4 subjects, that 2 MCQs only, multiple choice questions only. It is KBC type. You have 1 question, you have 4 multiple answers for that. You have to choose any one. That kind of OMR are there for foundation course. When it comes to executive, it is subjective. There is no OMR for executive. We have 2 modules for executives, we have 4 modules for professional. If you want to become a company secretary, we just have to spend our 3 years, that's it. If it is 24/7, 3 years are enough. And if we are not that hardworking, we are not putting our 100% efforts, then it would go to 5 years, it may go to 6 years. But believe me, investing this 5 years, this 6 years will definitely going to help you in your future. We had invested our 15 years for completing our graduation. We had invested or not? Yes. Can't we spare our 3, 4 or 6 years, maximum 6 years? We had completed each and every module in 1 year, then to it will require only 6 years, not more than that. Can't we spare our 6 years? Can't we? We can, na? Why? Because it is proud for me when somebody calls me CS Rehana Khan. It is that proud. When you will become a company secretary, you will go to, conduct seminars and all. There are many things that a CS can do. Now coming to the main point. And we will do the CS course, we'll complete our CS course, then what is the scope in that? Is there any scope or not? See, we are anyhow doing graduation only. Graduation is there. Is there any, is there anything that, yes, I will get job in this company and that company after graduation? Can you assure yourself? But by doing a professional course like CS, CA and CWA, you can assure yourself that you will be placed in a company like Cipla, Reliance, Tata, because you are required over there. And after Companies Act 2013, when Companies Act 2013 came into existence, I will tell you, the profession of a company secretary has grown very fast. Why so? Why so? Because Companies Act 2013 has designated us as a key managerial personnel. We are next to the managing director of any company. If I am working in a small organization, where do I am a KMP. I am next to MD. I am as good as managing director of the company. Who are owners of the company? Managing directors are the owners of the company. Shareholders are the owners of the company. Who runs the company? Directors runs the company. Collectively they are board of directors. But who are head of the board of directors? They are managing director. Managing director is the only person who is responsible for everything in the company. I am as good as managing director in any company. Doesn't that feel me proud? Yeah, it is. So it is my suggestion. It is your junior college and your college. I am thankful to your college and your school that they called me here only. They are thinking, they're just thinking to provide a right path to you. It is you only who will select the option. The options, they had created a career awareness seminar on 2 more topics before this. This is the 3rd seminar of your college, of your school. Why they are creating so? They felt it good to call somebody and have a lecture? No. They're showing you the options. They're showing you the path. That there are many paths after doing your 12th standard, after completing your 10th. It is you only who can grab the opportunities. See, nobody will tell you take this opportunity. They'll show you there are many more opportunities are there. But it is you only who will grab the opportunity. Now coming to our institute. It is an institute which is constituted under the Act of Parliament. Ministry of Corporate Affairs are there. It is MCA. MCA is there in Marine Lines, wherein every compliances, non-compliances will be monitored by this MCA only. Under MCA, it is Registrar of Companies. We had heard many times. 12th and 11th standard students. Did we heard ROC? No? Probably you might not be having SP lecture room. SP is there, na? We have heard ROC word. Registrar of Companies. For this Registrar of Companies are the Registrar of Company is nothing but it is an institute. It is a building only, nothing else, where records of the companies are maintained in their register. When they maintain in their register, it is known as Registrar of Companies. When they remove our name from their register, that means the company has been strike off. That is how it works. This ROC is there under Ministry of Corporate Affairs only. And Ministry of Corporate Affairs make us the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Next slide. Institute's headquarters is in Noida, Delhi. There are 4 regional chapters are there: Kolkata, Navi Mumbai, Chennai, and New Delhi. I am representing Thane chapter over here. Thane chapter is a A-grade chapter. I am a secretary over Thane chapter only. I am company secretary as such by profession, but I am a secretary from Thane chapter of Institute of Company Secretaries of India. We have more than 46,000 qualified members, both in employment and in profession. What does that mean? Once I had completed my CS, now I am CS. Now what I can do is, I can go for an employment. If there are families from orthodox thinking, there are no such families right now as such because of this modern world. But still, if there are any families from the orthodox thinking, there also there is an opportunity. We can start our own practice also. CA can start their office, then why can't we? Even we can start our practice. What we will do is, we will do secretarial work over there. Formation of a company, you must have read in SP. We do formation of a company, we do appoint directors, we do remove directors, we do maintain books of accounts, we appoint auditors, we fix their remuneration, each and everything. What you learn in SP is the practical exposure of the work a company secretary does. Over 5 lakh students are enrolled, and I guess after this session, 5 to 10 students will be enrolled. Is it? 10 standards we are saying yes. But sadly mistaken, You can do the same after 12th only. But it is very good that even if I had never attended such a seminar till TY BCom. Our college, our school didn't have any efforts, didn't take any efforts to organize such a seminar. It is, if I say 100 times thanks a lot to your college and school, it would be less. Because even they are giving this seminar to 10th standard also. They are creating a base of awareness to their 10th standard, to their school students also. By the time they are in 12th standard, they know each and everything about this career awareness program and all. They know everything about in which field I have to go. Next. This is our profession. Why world is there? Because we rule the world. We are next to managing director, we rule the world. That's why. See, a company secretary is a compliance officer, is a key managerial person. Now tell me, if anything went wrong, I am a company secretary of XYZ company, had not complied as per the rules and regulations set out by the Companies Act 2013. Who will go behind the bars next to MD? Of course, company secretary. When you take the authority, you will take the responsibility also. You have been authorized as a person, you have been authorized as a KMP, you are there next to MD. When authority comes, responsibility also comes. When you fail to comply the responsibility, even you are behind the bars. We are compliance officer, we are corporate governance, we are transparent officer. What is transparent officer? It is our duty, it is our responsibility to create transparency. It is our duty to create transparency about each and every small things, each and every big thing, each and every malafide information that we had about the company, we had about the management. What is board of directors? Board of directors are the person, they are appointed to manage the board. We are the person appointed to manage the board of directors. This is the difference. This says how dignified person you are when you become a company secretary, when you become CFO, when you become a CEO. Next. See, there might be a question that once I completed my company secretary course, do company may place me or not? There might be a question, would placement be there or not? See, government only, institute not, but government only. And the Companies Act 2013